Hey everybody, it's Jeremy here. It is June 28th, 2022. I want to do a quick market update. I'm sorry I don't really have my camera here. I just didn't have time to get everything set up and I'm actually on my way out. But I wanted to get this out because there's so much happening today. This is a very critical day. Mark this day, June 28th, 2022. Now, many of you have been following me. You remember several months back in November, that was actually back here in November, when I started calling the market top. It peaked within a couple of weeks for the NASDAQ, and then it was here beginning of January for the Dow here. That was about 20% ago. So since then, the market has been selling off. We've been calling all these turns all along the way here, talking about it every week in our profit picks. But today, this is the big one. We're down 491 points. Now, that in and of itself is not such a big deal, but the way we got there is a big deal, and the location's a big deal. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I just switched to zoom into a 5-minute chart. When I got up today, we were way up here. The market actually showed we were up a couple hundred points. It was a big surge this morning, and then we just did this the rest of the day. Boom, just drop. And we ended the day, the afternoon, the last couple hours, were actually a pretty big surge there. So that's where it all happened. It all happened at the end. This is going to continue tomorrow, pretty sure. Be surprised if it doesn't. But this is actually a bigger trend that we got to be worried about. And the reason I'm highlighting this right now, yeah, the market's down 20% from where we started the year. This bear market is 20% down. But this right here, this 3-day candlestick formation, it's an evening star reversal in the right location at the 20 period moving average at a pivot area. This thing is about to, I don't want to say crumble, but it's going to head back down here. I'll be very surprised if it doesn't happen tomorrow. Don't worry too much about your stochastics that are turned up here. They're going to start oscillating down here in this lower range. This is what we talked about Sunday night in our profit picks class. We talked about possibly seeing them get up to 40 or 50. But we're back up to 30. That's not a problem at all. That is a bounce. That's all you needed right there. So we're well out of the oversold territory. This thing is ready to continue. Now, if you haven't been tracking with me, I have been targeting this next surge. 29,000 would be a minimum target for that. I'm expecting in the 26,000 range, like 26,500 on the Dow. And before it's all said and done, my target timing-wise is closer towards the end of the summer, but before it's all said and done, I'm still targeting 18,000. So we got a lot to go. If the first 20% has been scary for you, the next piece is going to be just terrifying. I mean, it really is. It's going to be moving very big. This is parallel, very, very similar to what happened in 2008. I've been talking about this for several months. I don't have time to get into it in this video, but I do want to let you know for the last 24 hours, I've been scrambling. I saw this all setting up, and I've put together a new 3-day challenge for you, for all of you. It's not just for you. You can share it with your friends and family. It's free. It's called Bear Market Survivor. I'm going to go through just kind of a bunch of things that you can do to survive this bear market. And like I say, this is a three-day challenge. I'm going to start it tomorrow. I know this is a little bit last minute, but I feel like we have to get it out. We just have to, because it's happening right now. It's all unfolding, and I can't wait any longer. So I don't have a week or two to warm you up for this. This is it's now. So starting tomorrow, June 29th at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central Time. You can do the math. We're gonna go talk about this stuff, and I'm gonna kind of walk through it all with you. So click the link below, get yourself signed up. It is free. Sign up your friends and your family members, but yeah, that's that. And look, I want you there. But what I'm really worried about is this right here. What I'm really worried about is that you are prepared for that bear market that is continuing today. And that's all I'm going to get into. Except for I'm going to give you this. Look, here's the NASDAQ. It's even worse. Over 30% already. And it's going, folks. This is going to be a doozy. So we'll talk about it tomorrow at 11 a.m. Central Time, noon Eastern Time, 10 a.m. in the mountains, 9 if you're on the West Coast. We'll talk about it. I'm going to do a live stream. I'm going to stream it on Telegram, Facebook. I'm going to stream it everywhere. So get yourself signed up so I can send you the links. And again, I'm going to put the link here with this video. If you can't find that, it's going to be on my homepage. It's not there yet, but I'm going to put it on my homepage. You can just go to trademaestro.com and find the links there too. But folks, this is... I'm not trying to be dramatic. This really is scary. There's some incredible stuff is happening. You will probably never live through another bear market like this ever in your lifetime, but it's going to be intense, I think, the next 6 months or so. So get yourself signed up for my Bear Market Survivor and share it with your friends and family. Protect yourself, be careful, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in this training. All right, talk to you soon.